In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in or create a Perplexity AI account. Whether you're new to the platform or just trying to log back in, I'll guide you through each step to ensure you're set up in no time. First, let's begin by visiting the official Perplexity AI website. To do this, open your web browser and enter the URL that takes you to Perplexity AI's homepage. Once you're on the website, next steps will depend on whether you already have an account or need to create a new one. If you do have a Perplexity AI account, you'll want to locate and click on the login page. This should direct you to the login interface. Here, you will need to enter your username and password. Ensure you input these details accurately to avoid any login issues. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double check that caps lock isn't accidentally on unless it's part of your password. Once everything is entered correctly, you should gain access to your account after clicking login. Now, if you need to create an account, there's a few slightly different steps to follow. First, as you browse the website, keep an eye out for the sign up button. This is typically located in the upper right-hand corner of many sites, but can vary, so don't worry if it takes a moment to find. Once you've located and clicked on it, you'll be presented with different sign-up methods to choose from. Commonly, websites offer options like using an email address, or sometimes signing up with social media accounts. Let's say you're choosing to register with an email address. You'll need to fill in the required fields with appropriate details, such as your email and a password. Choose a strong password for your new account, something that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for added security. After you complete the sign-up form, the next important step is to check your inbox for a verification email. The email usually arrives within a few minutes. If it's not showing up, remember to check your spam or junk mail folders. Once you find the email, open it, and you'll see it contains a verification link. It's crucial to click this link to activate your account. This step ensures that the email you provided is valid and that you have access to it. As soon as you've clicked the verification link, you'll be redirected back to the website, where your account will now be active. The final step is to return to Perplexity AI's website and log in with the credentials you just established. Enter your username and password, then click Log In to access your new account. And there you have it. You're now all ready to explore and utilize the features Perplexity AI offers. Thanks for joining today, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.